Are you looking for a 4-bedroom home in a great neighborhood in Tampa, Florida? Hi, I'm Christina at Ben Lobby Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Welcome to 2908 East Howell Street in Tampa, Florida. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,700 square feet, and lot size of more than 7,000 square feet. And it's priced at $399,000. So let's take a look inside. Enjoy your own private oasis in the spacious backyard, surrounded by mature trees, where you can add a refreshing pool or host lively barbecues or just relax in a peaceful setting. This charming home is located within a few minutes of popular attractions like Busch Gardens Amusement Park, downtown Tampa, Rogers Park and Golf Course, Ybor City, University of South Florida, Armature Works, beautiful beaches like Clearwater Beach and St. Pete Beach, and downtown St. Petersburg. Experience the best that Tampa has to offer. So if you like this house, please call me to schedule a showing appointment. If you're interested in buying a house, selling a house in St. Petersburg, Tampa, Bradenton, or Sarasota areas, please call me. If you like this video, please make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.
Hey, it's Ben, team leader of Ben Lobby Homes. If you like this video, check out our next one or anything else on our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe link, or start your home search at our website anytime you want.